Ew.
I'm just now noticing my shoes. They look great, honey.
I'm like a bitch. Oh, I don't know.
Cheers. So it is 4:58 Sunday, and I have barely talked in this vlog, so I'm just gonna like update you guys. I'm currently at Florida with like 2 friends and one of my friend's parents. So basically I'm #alone, you know, and we're in like Panama. It's pretty chill, you know. Not to mention everyone keeps coughing because of this. I'm trying to vlog here. Please be respectful. So everyone's like coughing because of this red tide algae thing that makes like everyone cough, sneeze, and their like eyes water. So basically like some other type of allergies. That's the word I was looking for. It's not fun, but it's fun. Let's see, what else do I need to say? What did we do? Oh yeah, we got here yesterday, and then we went to Walmart, you know, we unpacked, you know, just got situated. They're drinking!
Where are they?
He just poured beer!
Oh, me. Not. Oh my god, please video them.
Where'd they go?
I can't believe we got that.
So it's Monday, October 8th, and apparently there's like, well, not apparently, there is gonna be a hurricane coming this way named Michael, and we might have to end up leaving tomorrow, and I'm not looking forward to that at all. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. See, also we're going to the beach right now, at least for one more time, because this is our 2nd time going to the beach, and last time we coughed and we took some allergy medicine because we don't want to have to be dying. So, oh, look, it's a Ross.
I was just gonna say that.
Ulta, PetSmart.
Where's the PetSmart?
On the right side of.
I see a Five Below and a Dick's.
5 and 1 below.
Yeah, Five Below.
Where?
I recognize the logo. It's like near Dick's.
Oh, is it the blue one?
Yeah. Or maybe there's a 5 years too. I think it's.
So I just came out of the water and my eyes burn so much and my nose is stuffy and I'm not happy about it. So I'm just gonna tan, hopefully look Mexican after this trip, even though it's like only 3 days of a trip. Oh my god. So there's like a music video going on right now and I don't know what to do. It's so weird. We're sitting on the ground right now. Well, we're sitting on the ground right now. It doesn't look like I'm just saying, but we are.
Not even the ground. We're on our patio.
Yeah, on the patio.
On the 23rd floor.
On the 23rd floor, because they came by and took the chairs because of the hurricane and situation. And when we got back, you know, from the beach, there was like a note and it said like you're supposed to, like, it's mandatory to leave by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So we're probably gonna leave tonight to avoid traffic and stuff. So
Great vacation.
very, like, seriously, first, like, the first day we get here, it's like late, so we didn't get to do anything. And then yesterday we were coughing up some lungs with a freaking red tie. It was not fun. And then today when we went back down, my eyes were watery and like were like burning. I don't know. And they were burning and my nose was so runny. It felt like there was like salt in them. It was so weird. And then we saw some dead fish.
That's nice.
I'm so upset, honestly. I wanted to stay longer.
We're going to stay for a whole week.
Yeah, for a whole week we're supposed to stay and do some fun stuff. So, and then we're gonna go out to eat today. Some fancy restaurant, I don't know. So we're going to eat at this restaurant called Angelo's, but their wait is 100 is an hour long. So we're just walking around this like amusement park that's like right beside it or something. So, and they're playing 1D, which is okay with me, kind of.
I might sleep if they're gonna learn how to do it.
The only good thing about this trip is that I just won a free biscuit, thanks to Ellie.
Not McDonald's, thanks to Ellie.
Yeah, at McDonald's.
Riverchase Kia in Pelham. Online 24/7 at riverchasekia.com.
Here you go. You can open your eyes now.
Wow. I'm gonna wear this to school on Monday.
Oh my god. Do you not acknowledge what else you have in your hand?
Pop rocks.
What do you say?
Thank you. We need a black light.